Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong calls cabinet reshuffle a routine exercise. Survey for Greenfield National Highway 6 from Shillong to Silchar to complete by year-end. Meghalaya government sets up panel to probe USTM and illegal mining in Ribhoi. And Meghalaya High Court directs removal of employees blocking GHADC office. The news in detail. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong has termed the recent cabinet reshuffle a routine exercise. He said while the NPP leaves the decision to the Chief Minister, coalition partners are free to decide on their representatives. Tinsong admitted reshuffles may cause dissatisfaction but maintained they are made in the larger interest of the state. On demands for a change of Chief Minister, he stated he has no objection so long as the focus remains on development and safeguarding Meghalaya's interest.
See, I think prior to the reshuffling that has taken place recently, I've already told you we leave it to the wisdom of CM. Because this is the prerogative of CM as far as our party NPP is concerned. But as far as our partners is concerned, again, we leave it to the wisdom of the party. Which one they want to drop, which one they want to induct, or which one they want to make ministers. So we have nothing to say.
Survey work for the 166.8-kilometer four-lane Greenfield Access Control National Highway 6 from Mauling Kung near Shillong to Panchgram near Silchar is likely to be completed by year-end. The state government on Wednesday reviewed the progress of the 22,864 crore rupees project with NHIDCL and deputy commissioners. Deputy Chief Minister in charge of PWD Roads, Preston Tinsong, said survey work is almost complete in Ribhoi, East Khasi Hills and West Jantia Hills. The alignment will integrate with major transport corridors, boosting connectivity between Meghalaya, Assam and other northeastern states. He also informed that work on packages 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 of Shillong-Dauki Road project is progressing.
As far as Shillong-Dauki project, starting from package 1, package 2, package 4, package 5, the progress of work is good. As far as package 1, though a lot of inconveniences has been created due to the construction of the 4-lane, as you are all aware, as you are all know. But today, we have done the review meeting, the detailed review meeting along with the companies, the construction company, and a lot of debate, lot of discussion, and ultimately we have given the direction to the company to complete the work on or before of December 2025.
Meghalaya government has set up a committee to probe USTM and illegal mining in Ribhoi. The Supreme Court's Central Empowered Committee report flagged USTM for illegally occupying over 25 hectares of forest land. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said the committee, headed by an ADC in Ribhoi, will inspect the sites and submit its report. The CEC also recommended suspending all mining, quarrying and crushing activities in the district pending review. The case follows a petition by Assam resident Jitul Deka on land ownership.
On the basis of this report, that's what I'm saying, we constituted this committee headed by the ADC, and let us wait and see the report. Once we get the report, we will be able to tell you.
What's the timeline of this?
The timeline is, I think, till 15 of October, if I'm not mistaken.
Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home, Preston Tinsong, has directed the SIT to intensify its probe into the death of 4-year-old Insafira Lingdo Maunai of Nongra Nonglom. Tinsong asked investigators to find out why the 13-year-old boy, identified as the prime suspect, kept quiet about the incident and failed to inform anyone immediately. Urging people to have faith in the police, he said the matter is being thoroughly investigated.
Well, I think from the police team, we have already given the statement. So, see what happened was because that boy, he was also only 12, 13 years old. That boy, he already confessed everything. I think we came out with his statement. So that statement, continue. But of course, I've already instructed the SIT also to go further deeper. Why it happened? Why that unfortunate incident happened that way?
The Meghalaya High Court on September 24 directed the West Garo Hills SP to ensure employees vacate the entrance of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council to prevent disruption of office functions amid the ongoing salary crisis. Following the order, SP Abraham T. Sangma met NGEA President Brithan M. Sangma and employees, explaining they must vacate the premises within 7 days. The NGEA assured compliance and said they will continue their agitation from an alternate location. Police will monitor to ensure peaceful protests and take action if necessary.
So I've called them and I've explained it to them about the order, and I have told them that this is the High Court order, and they'll have from within 7 days they'll have to vacate the premises, and they'll not be allowed to agitate in that premises.
Yeah. Our meeting, we have decided our agitation place will be changed any other places.
The Garo Hills Autonomous District Council has proposed releasing 12 months' salary immediately, with the remaining amount to be paid in 3 installments over 2 years and regular salaries to resume from November 1st. Reactions among employees are divided. Some are willing to accept the offer, but the majority, citing a backlog of nearly 45 months, plan to continue their agitation until full pending salaries are cleared. Protests will be staged in designated areas with prior permission from authorities.
In the beginning, we were asking for 12 months. And then back then, the ECs didn't respond with positive, this thing. That's the reason why we keep continuing our agitations so far, like almost 3 months now. And then the backlog was 42 months back then, now almost 45 months. So this is the reason why we can accept their 12 months salary offer at the moment.
The Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya, FASTOM, today held a sit-in protest at Law College Playground, New Tura, with over 500 teachers participating. This is a part of coordinated protests across the state, including Shillong since September 22nd. FASTOM State President Moonroy G. Mormon said the demonstrations will continue indefinitely until the government addresses their demands. FASTOM is seeking the upgrade of all ad hoc teachers to the deficit system, citing disparities in salaries and benefits between ad hoc and deficit system teachers.
As we have decided in our last general body meeting in Tura, we have decided to go for an indefinite sit-in demonstration, and that will be doing simultaneously in Tura and in Shillong. In Tura, we have started today, and it will continue as long as if we don't get a green signal from the government. Our main demands is to upgrade all the ad hoc teachers to the deficit system and deficit pattern.
Traffic on the Shillong-Pin Ursula Dauki Road has been blocked since Wednesday afternoon due to a landslip at Dunshing caused by blasting work by AIDS Construction. Large boulders and debris have cut off this key route for commuters and tourists. Authorities have halted traffic and advised alternative routes. 4 machines are clearing the debris, though a loader cannot be deployed yet. Officials said a partial reopening may be possible tonight if no further landslips occur. As part of the Swachh Nari Sashat Parivar Abhiyan, an integrated medical camp was held today at Mauringkeneng CHC. Local MLA H. Kharpran inaugurated the camp, urging people to prioritize their health and take advantage of free checkups. Doctors and specialists from Negrims and Nazareth hospitals treated large numbers of patients, while the district maternal and child health officer, Dr. E. L. Karmuti, highlighted the benefits of the camp. Beneficiaries expressed satisfaction, noting that such camps help them get diagnosis locally without visiting costly private hospitals.
Jadi program yang telah dibuat di dalam bagian ang hukum na sugar kini tinggalong dibanggap banyak pun ditamat banura kanikalat yang semua ban mulai health kampung itu.
Gaya rap sibun ning lima tiba hasnong le nilong tinggi ki beduk long yo ban wan kum hinde ban sim ban ai ki ding check up ban yo ki sumar ke bapak kamo
kakam dia cumtai ke ni nomor ni yo x-ray kan taksinya sel yo x-ray ki cumbun rum dai masawa ya taruh ki le te ngawang kan kita.
A tragic road accident occurred on Wednesday night at Nongpo, opposite the civil hospital, when a motorcycle allegedly coming from the wrong direction collided head-on with a night bus from Guwahati to Shillong. The impact caused the motorcycle to burst into flames, killing the rider on the spot. The bus also caught fire, but with swift response by Nongpo Fire and Emergency Services, all passengers were safely evacuated. The deceased has been shifted to Nongpo Civil Hospital for post-mortem examination. The Inter-Office Futsal Tournament concluded on Wednesday with 3 final matches. In the Women's Open category, MEGHALAYA Secretariat defeated PHE Women 1-0. In the Men's Open category, 1st MLP Battalion edged past MLP Veterans 3-2. While in the above 45 category, MEECL beat Directorate of Land Records and Survey 2-1. The prize distribution ceremony is scheduled for September 30th. The 4th edition of the Sora International Half Marathon is set for September 27, expecting a record 10,500 runners. Olympic medalist and 6-time world champion Mary Kom will attend as a special guest. Meghalaya State Olympic Association General Secretary Finely Parriott said preparations are underway with T-shirt and chest number distributing starting today. Participation has increased by over 4,000 from last year, with more than 12,000 people, including officials, expected. The event will see 13 international athletes and 337 runners from other states, with 5K Run for Fun flagging off at 5:30 a.m.
As you know, that the total participants are 10,576. So, including official and all, it will be almost 12,000 strong. Will be there in Sora. So, regarding the flag off and all, I think that will be given later who will flag off. But we will start first with the 5K at 5:30 sharp. We won't wait because we want to finish those competition.
The weather report. First, let's take a quick look at the report in Tura. The minimum temperature was 25 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature was 33 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 82%, while rainfall was recorded at 1.9 millimeter. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature was 18 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature was 27 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 81% and rainfall was 1 millimeter. Meanwhile, in Juwai, minimum temperature was recorded at 19 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature was 27 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 80%, while rainfall was recorded at 2.7 millimeter. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Juwai says moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at most places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Deputy Chief Minister Prasoon Tinsong calls cabinet reshuffle a routine exercise. Survey for Green Fields, National Highway 6 from Shillong to Silchar to complete by year end. Meghalaya government sets up panel to prove USTM and illegal mining in Ribhoi. And Meghalaya High Court directs removal of employees blocking GHADC office. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow with new updates. Till then, have a good night.